Welcome guys, Cream Boss back again with another reaction video. Today we'll check out a princess of dancehall, Shenseea. This one is called Sure Sure. I think this is new. And it's called Shenseea is one of my favorite artists, Jamaican female artist. She's very talented girl, very beautiful, very talented. You see me? Can sing dancehall plus can sing normally. Many female artists can't really do that, so Shenseea is up there.
Usually I'm indecisive, but tonight me sure.
Ooh.
And baby you know me way past like it.
Ooh.
Me love a little more.
Red Stripe. Where more is that? Red Label.
Go back way, doing it that way. Pulling my driveway, give me that side way. Bend on my highway, lick it down, bite it. Know that I like it.
Wait. Give a little more. La, la, la.
Bend it up back way, doing it that way. Pulling my driveway, give me that side way. Bend on my highway, lick it down, bite it.
Yo, imagine you're there on some work, could you be and listen to some Shenseea.
I like it.
Working youth. So she using the rainbow umbrella. That's like a signal into something, but now they're gonna go into that, bruh. Ooh. Yo.
Usually I'm indecisive, but tonight me sure. Baby you know me way past like it.
Mustache in oil? What?
Usually I'm indecisive, but tonight me sure.
Yeah, so sorry.
Baby you know me way past like it. A little more.
La. Yo, this song was actually very good. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this song a lot. Honest to God, I think otherwise from Spice, Shenseea, literally, Shenseea is one of the female artists in Jamaica that have the best music video. She's on par with the Queen of Dancehall, Spice. Literally. I always enjoy our videos and our songs. She's actually very talented and I really respect her a lot. And she writes her songs, so what not to respect.